How to get pineapple in Grow a Garden. In Grow a Garden on Roblox, pineapples are one of the rarest and most exciting plants you can grow. They are bright, tropical fruits that only appear under certain conditions, which makes finding and growing one feel like a real achievement. To get a pineapple, first you need a pineapple seed. These seeds don't show up often, so you'll need to be patient. One way to find them is by checking the seed shop every day. Sometimes, if you're lucky, the pineapple seed will be for sale, but it's pretty rare and costs a lot of coins or Robux. Another way you can get a pineapple seed is by opening seed packs, especially the ones labeled as super or mystery packs. These have a small chance of giving you special seeds like the pineapple. You might also find the pineapple seed after harvesting other plants or as a surprise gift from events or daily rewards. Once you finally have the seed, plant it in your garden. You want to give it water and take good care of it. Pineapples take a little longer to grow, but the reward is worth it. They even regrow after being harvested, so you can get more than one fruit from the same plant. Growing a pineapple takes time, luck, and a little bit of planning, but it's a fun goal to work toward. When that spiky golden fruit finally appears in your garden, you'll feel proud of your hard work. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.